Hi, I'm David Alzinga, and I'm here with Peter Dupont, and we're the co-chairs of the Asia Clean Energy Forum 2019. We're working hard to bring you a fresh and innovative conference, and today we want to provide you an update on the call for abstracts and the deep dive workshops.
So David, we're really encouraged by the call for abstracts and the tremendous response we've gotten. We have 400 abstracts for just 100 speaking slots. So we'd like to thank all of those of you who submitted abstracts, and especially to the people in our networks who reached out to their networks in women's empowerment and gender and energy to get the word out, because we're really trying to get a greater turnout and greater inclusion of women in the agenda at this year's ACEF. Right now, they're reviewing the abstracts, and we will notify everybody by the end of April about whether their abstracts are selected or not.
Another key part is our deep dive workshops, or as we call them, the DDWs. Here, we take a closer look and a more in-depth look into various energy topics. We started doing this in 2014, and back then we had them as either the beginning or the end of the conference, but now we're integrating them as a core part of the overall forum. This year, we're going to cover a number of different topics, such as grid flexibility and the integration of renewables, the future of cooling, and urban microgrids, just to name a few. So we encourage you to take a look, see about all the different topics that we're covering.
So thank you, David. Now's the time to act. You can register now, and when you register, you can indicate your preference for deep dive workshops. We're really looking forward to seeing you here in Manila with us in June.